This is called fountain paint pots. Here, really foggy day this morning, so this is beautiful. This is called the Yellowstone pool. Look at that.
Is the sand hot?
This is the fountain pot paint pots.
Daddy, the sand's hot?
Of course. You see that boiling water coming out? Whoa, that thing's making wave, guys. Whoa. See that moment?
Prismatic?
Yeah, prismatic geyser. Yeah, so there's a bridge and the walkway is up there. Hopefully we get to see something cool. Alright, so this is the walkway. This is the Midway Geyser Basin. So you got the turquoise pools, the opal pools, and the grand prismatic springs.
So this geyser is pouring into
So yeah, you can see water coming through right there. That's water coming down from the geyser into the river. That's crazy. I know, look at that, it's like a lake right here.
Yeah, that's a geyser play.
Foot traffic, one way. The grand prismatic springs. Too bad. It's foggy. You can't see anything, man. It sucks. But yeah, this is it. On a clear day, it's just you get like a rainbow kind of view of the geyser. From the geyser, it's very colorful. Hopefully, we can see something up here. Pool, I think. Ah, man. That's cool right here. Pool.
चल मम्मी तेरा देख रही थी फोटो में
Let's go get the biscuit. You want a biscuit for the biscuit or no? So nice. Wow, it's beautiful right here, guys.
That water is like the clearest water I've ever seen in a river. Yeah, that's... Well, to the phone, to the phone, to the phone.
Look at all these pools, honey. You guys look on the left right here. This rocks are nice, no?
like bacteria mats. I think.
Yeah.
Guys, there's people.
It looks like
Wow, looks amazing, guys. Crazy. The colors, right? Wow, look at this. Look at that. Woo, look how deep that is. Sapphire pool. Oh, there's one geyser going off right there. If I see it from here. Oh, here, look at this pool. Hey, this is Mustard Spring. That's cool, huh, guys? Yeah, you gotta get time it right, you know, you get the shot, because these geysers, you know, they erupt.
The bubbles.
What's that? There's little bubbles in there. Hey, this is a baby geyser. What's it called?
This is the highest you can go.
Avocado Springs. Oh, the one over there's Eruption right there.
I got it.
Oh man, that's cool. Alright, we're waiting for this one to blow up. This is a jewel geyser. This is the one that goes off right here, so. Alright, so we're here at the Old Faithful geyser. Just trying to figure out when's the next eruption. It does erupt every, I think, hour or something like that. So here we go. Yeah, so we're waiting for Old Faithful. The next eruption is in 1 hour. So we're doing this little walk way here, kind of boardwalk area. So you see other geysers and springs. So yeah, let's do this. But yeah, I can see smoke coming out of that thing like crazy now. This is Blue Star Spring. Oh, that's crazy.
Okay.
The calcium around.
Honey, look how that is.
Yeah, I
It's
know.
so crazy looking.
It looks like it's ice.
I know, right? But we gotta make it this in 40 minutes, okay?
Chinese spring.
This is a Chinese spring. Oh, look at this one, guys. It's one bubbling. Hey, look at this one. What's it? Chinese spring.
Okay, it's a little baby one for little babies.
All right, so this is a Castle geyser. It erupts like holy cow, Sunday at 10 and July 2nd at 12 p.m. This is a Shield Spring. Oh, that's cool. Right, back on the boardwalk. Yeah, but that's Castle right there, Castle Geyser. That's cool, huh? See the little bubbling area right there, like pool. Okay, let's go.
What do you want to do? I don't know what look at that white thing.
Hey, that looks like I thought it was something before. Oh, this is Prismatic Geyser. That's cool, man. This is a Lion Group Geyser. We're heading back now to Old Faithful. It should be blowing up here in 30 minutes or something like that. You can see, man, that's crazy. Like vegetation is still growing on top of these hot spring water. Over there?
Yeah, you see the sign right there?
Oh.
This way is the best way.
Somebody stole the sign. There's supposed to be a sign right here.
Nice.
We go from Beehive to Depression.
Hey, what is that? A hawk? Or what is that? Oh, what?
You're gonna have white hairs first, right?
Osprey, okay. Here, huh?
No! Why would you say something like that?
Depression Geyser.
I won't have that much white hair, right?
Alright, so this is called Beehive Geyser right there. Yeah, this fucking trail. Hey, we were over there earlier. On the other side of the river.
Yeah, we were 78%.
Okay, look at all these people waiting for it. Wow, there's a lot of people, huh?
On the deck. It's kind of like when you boil a tea kettle. You know how it goes. Whoop, whoop.
Smoke.
Okay,
Oh, there you go.
there we go. Not big yet. Let's get out of it.
Okay, here we go.
Are you putting on video?
Don't make the video too large. The second cannot upload it completely. Seriously, you probably feel like concentrating and stop your mouth.
Can't see it yet though. Oh yeah, water's way up there now.
Have you walked the Geyser Basin?
Look at all those people.
There used to be a rancher
Ranger, one of my city.
How neat. Look over here.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah. That's where we come from. When we just talked to you. Awesome.
Oh, interesting. This is a jacuzzi. Let's jump in. Oh my god. That's crazy, honey.
Is even illegal to keep it up?
Look like a pond. Even a pond like this is beautiful, right? Oh my god, look at that. One down there. It's bubbling up like crazy.
Well, not to the fishes, Daddy.
This is called Terrence Spring. You got little geysers everywhere feeding into this big one right here. Oh, that looks amazing. Hey, you guys see the colors in the water? Wow, look at this. That is crazy, guys. Yeah, this whole the lake right here is all nice. You see all the different colors in the water. That's beautiful. All right, we just drove on the side of the road and just saw this geyser and got to check it out. Thin crust area. Wow. It's like an air blower, blowing air out from the hole. Woo, it's hot. That's crazy how the gas is coming out of that thing, huh? The rock right there. It looks like little steps. They're all made from the salt and the stuff from the geyser. Bless you. This is Angel Terrace. So they call these terrace. Look at that, those terraces out there. Amazing. Oh, this looks cool. Travertine.
lot of volcanic ashes और volcanoes के नीचे है और पास से हम देखेंगे तो वो धुआं
I see all these pools out here. It's really nice.
और ये जो गैस है जिसकी बड़ी गंदी स्मेल है ये हाइड्रोजन और पानी कैसे हर एक घंटे में पानी
That spring goes all the way down to the bottom of there. That's the town of Mammoth. But yeah, these terraces are very nice, all white. Many millions a year. Cupid Spring. Okay.
There ain't any water here.
There is.
I'm suing this place.
Alright, this is actually we're walking down to Mammoth. The hot spring. It's beautiful, look at how white. Look at that. That's the trail down. Wow, look at this. Look at this terrace. Oh my god.
They're all different from each other.
you want to do it? No, you do it. You're better.
Wow.
Nobody here.
Okay.
Is that a spring? All right, we at Tower Falls Overlook, 500 feet hike.
Yeah.
Should be easy. Should be very easy.
I know you were trying to fast.
Oh, okay, so this is the way. It's Tower Falls right here. All right, we got traffic jam. We got Bison on the road. Yeah, these dudes, man, they don't care. They're going. They're definitely going. Yeah, he was on the road. And then your turn. Oh, there you go. Hey, big guy. Woo, woo. Move, dude, move. Hello, you see that though? This is you see the bubbles on the river that's coming out? Wow. Oh, this is cool. Oh man, that's cool. That's all mud coming out there. All right, we're here at the mud volcano now. Yeah, this is probably one of the last geysers here in East Yellowstone. The first one we're gonna see is the Dragon's Mouth. Let's see what's this Dragon's Mouth ring. Wow, it's like a cave. Whoa, this is smoking on. That's crazy, huh? All right, so this is the mud volcano. You see it's all muddy. It's gushing like crazy here. Alright, this is Sour Lake. There's a little action right there in the middle of the lake. You see the bubbles? Whoa, that's really muddy. That's crazy, huh? This is Black Dragon's cauldron.
What's a cauldron?
It's like a volcano. We call this the Black Dragon cauldron. That's cool, huh? Easy right here. Look at all the waves that's making. It's like the ocean. Oh, you're good, you're good. Wow, look at this. It's like a mud lake going on right here.